Sometimes you want to create a page with some videos to send to a client, but how do you do that in Vimeo? I'm going to show you how to create a showcase in this video. Hi, my name is Jason Kruger and I'm your Tech Simple Marketing Coach. And on this channel, I look to simplify the online marketing tech so that you understand how to use it in your own business. So sometimes you do want to create a page where you can just share some videos that you've created and you're already hosting it on Vimeo. So that's the best place to do it. You don't have to create another page on your website. But how do you do it? I'm now going to share my screen and show you how to set up the showcase. So we are in my Vimeo account and it is a Vimeo Plus account. Now I'm just going to show you how to set up a showcase. So I've just clicked on showcases here in the menu on the left hand side, and it's giving you some ideas here. So you can create a custom site, embed a video playlist, put your videos on TV. Now for some of these you will need to upgrade your account. So I'm just going to click on create new showcase, and it's now given me this blank screen where I can start putting in the info for it. So I want to call this the Tech Simple Showcase. Now these are going to be great if you are a video editor especially, so that you can start displaying some of your work on here. You can give your showcase a description. So I'm just going to put your showcase description. Now you can also set the privacy, so only people with a password, hide it from vimeo.com, or you can just set it to anyone. Now you could go and edit some SEO bits and pieces, but you do need to upgrade your account, so I won't be doing that at the moment. And I can also add some videos. So I'm just going to go in here and just choose a couple of videos here and click on add, and that's going to add it to this showcase. Once I've done this little bit here, I can click on save, and then I can go to assets. Now it's going to ask me for some a thumbnail, so I can just upload one if I wanted to, select it from a video or click on random, and I'm just going to click on random for now to see what it produces, and this is going to allow me to choose something from this video, and I'm just going to say I'm going to choose this one and say use this frame. So that's now going to appear here, and I can also add a custom logo. So you can click on that, upload your logo, and then your accent color as well for the page. Now, as I said, this is the SEO part of it, but I can't actually edit this because I do need to upgrade. The other thing it shows you here is things to do with the web layout. So I can go in here and say and change some of the default layouts. So this is the default. I can also change it to featured, so I change that back to default. I can also choose between the light and the dark theme. Again, this is preference. I quite like the dark theme, so I'm going to keep it with that. I can also hide any Vimeo navigation. I want to show my custom logo if I've uploaded one. So we can use the accent colors as well on here. Allow a share button so people can share that, and you can also allow people to download your videos. But again, with some of these you do need to upgrade. So even though I've set all of these, I don't think any of these are going to be saved. Now you can also go and change some of the settings for embedding the showcase and TV apps. Now again, for TV apps you will need to upgrade your subscription. Now I want to see what this actually looks like, so I'm going to click on share. It's going to give me the link, so I can click on that, and let's open this up in another tab and have a look at what this looks like. So as you can see, I have that thumbnail up here. So you might want to upload your own custom thumbnail to make sure that it fits in properly. It's got what I wrote in there, Tech Simple Showcase, and the description is actually here. And again, choosing a background image so that this shows up properly will probably be best. And then all your videos will appear here and people can then click on those and you can then share it. So that's how you would set up a showcase. And it is good if you have different categories and you want to share different showcases with different clients, for instance. Setting up a showcase is a great way to do that.
So I hope you found this video useful and are now going to go and set up your own showcase in your Vimeo account. If you have found this video useful, then please look to subscribe and click on the notification bell so that you get notified when I next post a video. And remember, make sure that you keep it tech simple. See you on the next one.